Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Habatun Noor Amiri appeared for the first time with a message of Tariqat from the Tasawwuf Research Organization of Amirul Awliya. Today's topic is Murshid Maula Allama Qari Sayyid Fazl Azim Shah Qaddasa Sirruhul Aziz. From the inner discussion, Adar Kalashuna Kitab to the 5th article of the 10th chapter on the subject of what is tariqat and why it's needed. The word tariqa was originated from the word tariqat. Tariqat means way or method, generally the way or method which is needed to follow to get the mercy or the blessings and the real identity of the Almighty Allah, our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Awliya is called tariqat. Almighty Allah said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ, meaning, I have created jinn and mankind only for my worship. Therefore, some Islamic scholars give importance on Allah's marifat, means recognizing and knowing the Almighty Allah and the unique love for Him. Because the unbounded love for Almighty Allah is the main philosophy of tariqat or tasawwuf, and to follow this path, a person needs many efforts, hardships and industry. To be an obedient follower of tariqat, a person needs strong desire to know Allah and the unique love for Him. Removing all sorts of negative desires of our soul, we need to path of Siratul Mustaqim. Tariqa is very hard and it's a path of struggle. We can win our battle and can reach our destination by declaring jihad against all sorts of bad desires of our soul. Our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in Hadith, to do jihad with our souls called Jihad-e-Akbar. To fight with the sword or any other weapons with the people who go against the Islamic rules and kingdom is called Jihad-e-Asghar, means small jihad. Jihad-e-Akbar is direct jihad which can be done to fight with negative desires of human being. This type of jihad is very hard. But nafs is a kind of chief of soldiers who has a big battalion of soldiers. Among the soldiers, there have Haris means greed, Tama means lust, Bakhil means miserliness, Fizar means falsehood, Kina means hatred, Hasad means jealousy, which are very dangerous opposition and they always prevent human beings to follow the path of Allah. And to cross all these obstacles is called Jihad-e-Akbar, means big jihad. Without following tariqat, it's not possible to do Jihad-e-Akbar. The main aim of tariqat is worship of Allah. By riyaz and zikr, we can purify our soul and can make it agile and lively. They also help us to create impact on our good virtues and help to defeat our bad nerves. If the Shariat and Tariqat can be followed properly, the attraction of the servant towards Allah will increase and in it lies the good of both the worlds of the servant. It's not possible for the common man to find this path without Kamil Pir or Murshid. That's why Allah declared, وَكُونُوا مَعَ الصَّادِقِينَ. That's the meaning of, you stay with the truthful ones. It's appeared that the path to haste is paved only when one is with Kamil Pir or the alligators of Allah or by taking bayat in their presence. This makes jihad easier with the nerves. It's a special mercy of Allah for the people to meet Kamil Pir and Murshid at the right age in time. Ghausul Azam Shah Ahmadullah Maizbandari Qaddasa Sirruhul Aziz has created a wonderful tariqa with a combination of 4 tariqa. That the name of tariqa is Maizbandari tariqa. For the convenience of the general public in a simple, straightforward and understandable way, he has formulated a principle of this tariqa called Usule Saba or 7 methods. This principle has opened a great horizon in the matter of urgency. This is an easy and perfect way to meet Allah. Hazrat Amirul Awliya Shah Sufi Sayyid Amir Jaman Shah Qaddasa Sirul Aziz, who is the bright spiritual star in the sky of this tariqa. He was the chief caliph of Gausul Azam Shah Ahmadullah Maizbandari Qaddasa Sirul Aziz in the village of Govindarkil, now Amir Nagar. Let's join ourselves under the flag of this great Hazrat Amirul Awliya to fight against the nafs and attain nearness to Allah. Above all, on behalf of Amirul Awliya, the Self-Reachers organization, I would like to extend my best wishes to all the viewers from home and abroad. Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay healthy and subscribe to this channel to know about Amir Bhandari Tariqa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.